Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to unbox and review the Fitcamx, specifically for the Lexus CT200H. Yeah, what's cool about this, and you'll see when I open it up, is that Fitcamx tries to make the dash cam look like it's OEM, like it's meant to be on your car. So it was pretty cool, the experience. Right off the bat, I sent them a photo of the interior part of the mirror of the CT200H, and they got me what should be the best fitting, most OEM looking dash cam for the CT200H. If you go on their website, you'll see that they actually have a lot of choices for a lot of cars right off the bat. They probably have everything to fit any car, no matter what it is you have. So anyways, let's go and start with the unboxing. All right, so here's the box that it came in. Very nice box. And a couple pieces of tape. If y'all watch Flossie, rah. All right, slides right out. And right there it says dash cam accessories. First we'll get the dash cam out. Oh, it's a completely separate box. Accessories right there. User manual, along with some QR codes, including the App Store, which we will be downloading as well. So plug it and file it. All right, excited to see what the dash cam will look like. Some more inside. Ooh, I think this is a cover right here to make it look OEM, obviously. Ooh, look at this. Whoa, okay. Damn, that's pretty cool. Wow, this is no kidding. This looks OEM as heck. Look, okay, already has an SD card. So that is a plus. It got some 3M tape. That's the good stuff. And then look at that. Look how nice everything is. And this, I'm sure, connects to something in the accessories. And then looks like you have a power button, a camera, so you could probably shoot a photo or something. Looks like either microphone or speaker. Really simple, and yeah, I can see how once this is up and under the mirror and on your windshield, this looks like it would be very much OEM as promised. Accessory case. Ooh, okay. Always handy to have these little pry tools in order to get into either parts of your interior or simply to just get any cables or wires through. What else is in here? Looks like this plugs into, I would assume, somewhere in the car, and then so does this. Interesting. Okay, so we'll figure these out, and then this obviously goes into the piece that's here. So on the CT200, I believe you actually have to take this off in order to get to the proper wiring. So with this one, you don't have to somehow come to the outlet here for electricity or for it to communicate with the car. You don't have to go in there. I'll be able to just connect here. I thought it would connect into here, but I was wrong. So let's try to get this off. Okay, so I got this out. Basically, what you want to do is you want to start at the edge down here towards the front and like evenly pull basically in between here and here, and then it's gonna pop out from this end first, and then this will kind of slide out. So yeah, sorry I didn't get that on video, but I'll link a video of another Lexus that pretty much shows it's exactly the same way. So the only other connection I saw besides the one that's like in there is this one there that goes to here. Here, if you want to see, that's basically where you're popping off first, and then this, see how that slides out as well. To show you guys what I'm talking about, so here's the harness. This connects to the camera. This connects to your OEM, comes in from the car, and then the new harness connects to the, so basically, yeah, it goes in between all three: the car, the camera, and the, what would you call this, the dome light casing, I guess you would call that. So I'm gonna try to get this all in there and then kind of have it all hanging, but then we'll get the camera situated. I just wanted to get the wiring nice and done before I stick the camera on there with the 3M tape that it has provided. All right, now there is plenty of space in here for all the wiring, the harness, and all that to go into. So shouldn't be a problem. Just gotta make sure that's out of the way when getting this back in. We got the app, and look, yeah, the camera's on there. It's a nice fit. So I thought you needed to use this area here to kind of hide the wire, but they provide this. It slides up and down. So depending on the length between where the camera is and where it's connecting to, this can adjust. You can adjust the other one just so that it looks the same. It looks a little off center, but it's, if you look at it down here, it's on pretty well. Probably could have done a better job, but I'll show you guys also from the outside. It looks straight up like it's meant to be in the car. That's very nice. They're sticking to that like OEM look to it. So we'll start up the car. Looks like the camera's blinking there, you can see. All right, there we are. So it is on. Look at this, we have a couple controls here. And then you can see, it says here, the quality of the live view is adjusted to give you the best experience to watch the original recording. So on the camera file, so we got camera file, some camera settings. Let's see, speaker volume, loop recording, duration, exposure, timestamp if you want the timestamp on, collision sensing. You could change the sensitivity. There's a parking guard monitor, not sure. There's a lot to explore here still, and I think what we need to do is go out and test it. All right, here we go. And the quality I see actually on the phone, and trust me, I'm driving safely right now. I'm keeping my eye on the road, but yeah, very clear on the phone. Is actually a very good spot. It's right in the center. So that's actually an advantage. Like, you can't really get that censored on some of the other dash cams because you kind of just mount them randomly. This one, because of the housing and the way it's meant to look OEM, is a pro, because then it automatically makes you position it right dead center underneath the mirror. So the position is very good. You could see a lot on the screen, pretty much from sidewalk to sidewalk on your typical road. All of the front of the car, well, not front of the car, but like you could see the hood of the car just fine. So yeah, this is pretty good. And like, yeah, I have the, obviously I know it's doing all this because I see it on the app right now live. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, you're getting really good footage here. And again, the main thing about this camera is, like, as I'm looking at it, like you can see here, I'm also recording with my camera, is that, yeah, it's not in the way at all. There's no wiring in the way. It's very OEM looking. So I know there's like some brand of cars that have something like this, but they use it mainly for like cruise control or something like that. But this brand has figured out a way to come up with something that looks OEM but is a dash cam. So very cool. All right, so yeah, pretty much that's it. It's all done. Super easy. Like, once you figure out like, oh, where like the cable is supposed to go to, it's pretty good. Like that's actually another thing, is that when I was a little bit confused about where the cable goes, because every car is different, they were so quick. I mean, yeah, great product, like user friendly as far as like its install, right? It's just a wire harness once you pop that open. OEM look, so it doesn't like have cables like running across the windshield or below, like by your footwell. What if you just don't have room to install something else to the cigarette lighter? What if you're already using it for something else? So you don't have to worry of those things. You saw, like, once I started the car, it started blinking. Connectivity, that was easy too. Like, it's just a matter of it recognizing it, meaning your app, the app on your phone, recognizing it as like a Wi-Fi connection, because it does have Wi-Fi. Then that was pretty easy. The resolution, it records in 4K, really clear. They're also nice enough to include a SD card, so I didn't have to like get my own or use one of my own. It was already inserted in there. So it literally is like plug and play. Like, there's nothing else you really have to do or add to it. So super nice. The tape, it was 3M, so nothing but positives really about it. The app is not something that you have to get from like a third party. You get it directly from either the Apple Store or in my case from Google Play. So you don't have to be worried that you're downloading something from somewhere you shouldn't trust. It's right there on the store. So yeah, I would say especially to my friends who really care about like the aesthetics, the look of your car, this is a dash cam that gonna do the job that you want, right? In case you do get into an accident. Like for example, even when I hit those huge potholes, like at the time I didn't have a dash cam. I wish I would have. It might have helped my case with Caltrans. If you follow the channel, you know what I'm talking about. That was like some bad luck, but yeah, a couple times I even hit the potholes because their insurance considered the pothole hitting an accident. So I wish I would have had a dash cam then when that happened. But my point is that for those of you who don't have a dash cam, you care about the looks of your car, that OEM look is just an even more of a plus, right? If you're gonna get a dash cam, might as well get one that looks good too, especially for, like I said, for those of you who care about the look of your car and you don't want those cables running around everywhere. It looks like it came with the car. But yeah, I've seen dash cams like this, the OEM fit. That was part of the reason why I was interested in getting it, is because like, why not like get something that looks good, OEM fit, and use it on my daily, the CT200. Again, one of the main reasons why I got it, because why not? Why not get a dash cam that also looks good? Looks like it's meant to be with the car. But yeah, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions or anything like that, reach out to the brand, see if we can get a discount code, something that we could use on there as well. So if you see that in the description, you know that it worked out. So yeah, we'll definitely be working with this brand again. As you know, I have the Prelude as well. Maybe we're able to do it, but at least you'll get my honest review on if I get a dash cam, or when I get one for the Prelude as well. See if we could do that OEM look, or at least close to it as well. So anyways, that's gonna do it. Talk to y'all later.